Your peace lily looks perfectly healthy. Glossy green leaves, no yellowing, no pests. But there's one frustrating problem. It just won't bloom. You've watered it, moved it around, maybe even followed every plant hack you saw online. And still nothing. No white flowers. No progress. Just leaves. Here's the shocking truth. Your peace lily isn't broken. It's reacting to its environment. And most plant owners are making the same hidden mistakes without even realizing it. In fact, your plant could be just 1 or 2 small changes away from producing those beautiful white blooms again. In this video, I'm going to reveal exactly why your peace lily refuses to flower, and more importantly, how to fix it fast using simple, proven methods. Some of these tips might surprise you, and one of them could trigger blooming within weeks. So before you give up on your plant or think it's just not a flowering type, watch this all the way through, because your peace lily might be closer to blooming than you think. 1. Not enough light, the #1 bloom killer. The most common reason your peace lily isn't blooming comes down to one simple factor: light, or the lack of it. Peace lilies are famous for being low-light tolerant, which is why they're often placed in dim corners or far from windows. But here's the catch. While they can survive in low light, they cannot bloom in it. Flower production requires energy, and that energy comes from light. Without enough light, your plant will focus entirely on maintaining its leaves rather than producing blooms. If your peace lily has been sitting in a dark room or far from natural light, it's essentially in survival mode. And when a plant is just surviving, flowering is not a priority. To fix this, you need to upgrade its lighting conditions. Move it to a spot with bright, indirect sunlight. Near a window with filtered light is ideal. East-facing windows are perfect because they provide gentle morning light without harsh rays. Avoid placing it in direct midday sun, as this can scorch the leaves. The goal is balance, bright but indirect. Once your plant starts receiving better light, you may notice stronger growth, deeper green leaves, and eventually, the formation of flower buds. Light is the foundation of blooming. Get this right, and you're already halfway there. 2. Incorrect watering habits. Watering is where many plant owners unknowingly sabotage their peace lily. Peace lilies are known for their dramatic behavior. They droop quickly when thirsty, which often causes people to panic and overwater. While it might seem like you're helping, inconsistent watering can actually prevent blooming. Overwatering leads to soggy soil and poor oxygen flow to the roots. This can cause root rot, weakening the plant and stopping flower production entirely. On the other hand, underwatering creates stress, and a stressed plant will never prioritize blooming. The key is consistency. Your peace lily prefers soil that is evenly moist but not soaked. A simple rule to follow: check the top inch of soil. If it feels dry, it's time to water. If it still feels damp, wait a little longer. Also, make sure your pot has proper drainage. Standing water at the bottom of the pot can quickly damage roots. Using filtered or room temperature water can also help. As peace lilies are sensitive to chemicals like chlorine, when you get watering right, your plant becomes stable and healthy, and a healthy plant is far more likely to bloom. Think of watering as creating a comfortable routine for your plant. Once it feels safe, it can finally focus on producing those beautiful white flowers. Lack of nutrients. If your peace lily hasn't bloomed in a long time, there's a good chance it's simply not getting enough nutrients. Over time, the soil in your pot loses its nutrients, especially if you haven't repotted or fertilized your plant. Without essential minerals, your plant can still survive, but it won't have the energy needed to produce flowers. Nitrogen helps with leafy growth, which is why your plant may look lush and green. But blooming requires other nutrients, especially phosphorus, which supports flower development. To fix this, start feeding your peace lily with a balanced liquid fertilizer every 4-6 weeks during the growing season, spring and summer. Choose a fertilizer designed for flowering houseplants. These typically contain the right balance of nutrients to encourage blooms. However, moderation is important. Over-fertilizing can cause salt buildup in the soil, which can damage roots and delay blooming even further. If you notice white crust forming on the soil surface, flush the soil with clean water to remove excess salts. Providing proper nutrition is like giving your plant the fuel it needs. Once it has enough energy stored, it can finally shift focus from just surviving to thriving, and that's when blooms begin to appear. 4. Pot size problems. Pot size plays a bigger role in blooming than most people realize. Your peace lily actually prefers to be slightly root-bound. This means its roots are snug inside the pot with limited extra space. When a plant is placed in a pot that's too large, it focuses on growing roots to fill that space instead of producing flowers. All its energy goes underground, leaving you with lots of leaves, but no blooms. If your peace lily hasn't flowered since repotting, this could be the reason. To fix this, check the root system. If the pot feels too spacious or the soil stays wet for too long, consider moving the plant into a slightly smaller container. A tighter environment encourages the plant to redirect its energy toward blooming rather than root expansion. However, don't go too small. The goal is slightly snug, not cramped. Also, make sure the pot has drainage holes to prevent water buildup. Understanding pot size is like understanding your plant's priorities. When the roots feel secure and contained, the plant shifts focus to reproduction, which means flowers. Temperature and humidity issues. As a tropical plant, your peace lily thrives in warm, humid conditions. If your home environment is too cold, too dry, or constantly changing, your plant may stop blooming altogether. Peace lilies prefer temperatures between 18 to 27 degrees, 65, 80 degrees. Sudden drops in temperature or exposure to cold drafts, like air conditioners or open windows, can shock the plant and halt flower production. Humidity is equally important. Dry indoor air, especially in air-conditioned rooms, can stress the plant and slow its growth. To improve conditions, keep your plant in a stable environment away from drafts. You can increase humidity by misting the leaves occasionally, grouping plants together, or placing a tray of water with pebbles nearby. These small adjustments create a microclimate that mimics the plant's natural habitat. When your peace lily feels comfortable in its environment, it's far more likely to bloom. Think of it this way: a happy plant in the right climate will always perform better, and blooming is its way of showing that it's truly thriving. Old flowers and pruning mistakes sometimes. The issue isn't what you're doing, it's what you're not doing. If old blooms are left on your peace lily, they can continue to drain energy from the plant. Even after a flower fades, the plant may still send resources to that stem, leaving less energy available for new blooms. This can slow down or completely stop the flowering cycle. The solution is simple. Prune spent flowers. Use clean scissors to cut the flower stalk all the way down to the base of the plant. This signals to the plant that it's time to produce new blooms. Pruning also improves airflow and keeps your plant looking fresh and healthy. In addition to removing old flowers, you can trim yellow or damaged leaves to redirect energy toward new growth. Regular maintenance helps your plant stay efficient, focusing its energy where it matters most. A well-pruned peace lily is not only more attractive, but also more likely to bloom consistently. Secret bloom boosting trick if you want faster results. Here's a simple trick that works surprisingly well. Give your peace lily a temporary upgrade in care. Place it in brighter indirect light. Maintain consistent watering and feed it lightly for about 3 to 4 weeks. This combination mimics ideal growing conditions and can trigger blooming. It's like giving your plant a short growth boost period. Many plant owners see new buds forming shortly after making these adjustments. Now you know exactly why your peace lily isn't blooming and how to fix it step by step. From lighting and watering to nutrients and environment, every small change you make brings your plant closer to producing those stunning white flowers. Remember, blooming doesn't happen by luck. It happens when the conditions are right. Start applying these tips today, and you might be surprised how quickly your plant responds. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more plant care secrets because your indoor jungle deserves to thrive.